friends, this is Joanne coming to you with a Bramble Fox layout. I am using the January 2023, it's 2023 collection. Let me see what it's called here. Stories We Tell. Yep, that's what it's called. So I fussy cut some flowers out of this paper. Look, oh my goodness. And then I fussy cut leaves out of that paper. And I used this paper to back my photo. And then look at this paper with bows. I fussy cut a couple of those. Oh, fun. This is a piece of pattern paper from the collection, and I'm going to use this as my background. Isn't it beautiful? I'm using this photo of myself and my best friend, and then the collection came with this metal die, and Bramble Fox does have awesome metal dies as well, so check those out in the shop. I'm just going to put this behind here like this, and I'm not worried. It was a piece of scrap, so I only cut like half of it. I mean, why waste our papers, right? So I just thought it was cute with that peeking out, something like this. And what I love about this paper is that I do have the lines on the paper to make sure everything is straight. That makes me so happy. I'm going to use some Bramble Fox stencils. I'm going to use 2 of them. The circle one. And then this one you can barely see. It's got all kinds of splatters and mixed media, like splashes. And ephemera and Bramble Fox perspectives. I'm going to use these. These are 2 separate purchases. I showed a picture at the beginning. You get 2 sentiments or titles with this one and 2 with this one. And they come in black and white, and they might come in some other colors too. I'll link them below. And here they are, oops, in the black. Isn't that awesome? I wasn't sure which one I wanted to use, so I pulled both of them. And of course I have some little hearts that I'm going to use. I love little Bramble Fox hearts. Okay, so let's make some clusters. The first one we want to do is this from the Fussy Cut Flowers paper. I just want to see where I want to put that. And then the kit also came with these really cool pre-made little tiny envelopes. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. So I'm going to take one of those bows from that Fussy Cut paper and just put a bow on this. And then put this, see, I'm going to cover that up so you'll never know. Put this right here. That's adorable. Okay. Then let me see, what else do I want to do? Put some leaves down here. I want to extend this down. So let's put some of this light colored green in there, and then we can stick in a darker green like that. We're going to start making a cluster. We're going to do like a diagonal. Exactly the same Fussy Cut flowers down here, so they match each other. Start one up here. And then I want to get in some of this darker blue. I think this gorgeous pinkish purple paper background and then this navy is fantastic together. So I want to pull in just a little bit more navy over here. And then I have a couple more of these. Thought maybe I'd get some in here. And then again over here. I think. Yeah, why not? And then we're going to make this even more green. Like so. And then what else do I want to do? Look at this circle. Don't forget this. It's perfect. I just want to tuck it in there. I want it for the sentiment, and I like that it's a circle, so it's a little bit different. Bring in some more of this teal color. And then this one, how pretty. Thought maybe we could just stick it right inside this envelope. Have that popping out a little bit like so. Awesome camera. Put this up here in the corner. I just had to have that, but I think I'll put this up more, this over more, so it's not hitting my head like so. And then let me see, so then we're going to say super amazing. And then this is a sentiment strip. It says experiences define us. So it's super amazing experiences define us. Then I thought another bow down here would just look super cute. This little space right here, butterfly. I'm going to go ahead and put honeybee stamped gems in the middle of that butterfly to add some bling. And then over here, I want a big one of those hearts from Bramble Fox because they're beautiful. And then I was going to put two little white ones over there. And what do you think? It's super vibrant, very colorful, which I love. Against, both of us have like navy and with some black in it shirts on, so it's super perfect to take some bright colored collections and put that all around a neutral colored outfit photo. So let's go ahead and get this stuck down, and I'm going to stick it all up backwards off the paper because I want to lift it all up as one piece, except for of course these few things here, and then do some mixed media right behind it. How fun is that? So let me get these out of the way for now, and I will speed that up because I don't want it to be forever for you. All right, so here we go. Alright, I have that all done, and I did glue it up so it'll be one big piece, and then I'll lay this down about where I want it. I'm thinking here. Yeah, that looks about good. And I'm going to use this line and this line to make sure it's straight. But the reason I glued backwards is because I want to take this Bramble Fox stencil. I love it. It's one of my favorites. And I want to come in underneath this cluster. And this way I can say, okay, where does that look good? And it looks good like this. Okay, so then I think what I'll do is grab me some of this Scrapbook.com mint tape, which is just a low-tech tape. I'll put some up here so I don't go off the stencil and get onto my background paper. And I was thinking this, seedless preserves, to bring in a little bit more of the purple. Alright, you guys, there you go. I hope that you enjoyed watching me put those clusters together. I left it in there. I'm going to go ahead and just use some of my glue. You can use glue or glossy accents to put your perspectives down. Let me concentrate here on where I want this. I like all my stuff nestled in together. Kind of like that. I want to make sure that's straight. I'm going to put that down just a little bit more. I don't think that's straight. Okay. I'm going to hold, and this adheres quite quickly. See, it's already on there. This I want to raise to the same height as my perspective, so I think that I will cut some of this, the foam strips that you use to back cut files and stuff, and shakers, and put that on here and just lift that up a little bit. If I can get the back off this, which I probably can't. Let me use my tweezers. Make sure, I'm going to use the lines here to make sure that this is straight. And I think I want it over a little bit more. Let me use my tweezers so then I can hover. I really like tweezers. Okay, there's that. Glue that down. A foam strip. All right, let's get the butterfly down. How pretty. I'll put glue just in the middle. Put him, nope, I don't want him there. Right there. All right, from the puffies, I took a break and looked through it. There were so many I was getting overwhelmed, which is not a bad thing because a 6x12 sheet of puffies, yep, I'm all over that. Little teeny rainbow, oh my God. Ridiculously cute. I'm going to put glue on it. I always glue my puffies because I just don't trust that they'll stay. And then I thought I'd put this little thing here. I think it's a little phone. Okay guys, I went ahead and put Best Girlfriends up there. I know that's a lot of titles, but I don't really mind it. I'm trying to use my alphas. And let me see. I want to put some sentiments underneath it. Oh, this one says, these are memories I never want to forget. That's pretty. Oh, this is cute. You may call us chaos, but honey, we are family. That's perfect. Let me see if I can get these in here. I want to stagger them a little bit. Fill in this little gap here. Oh, I really like that. I think that looks super cute. Puffy enamel dots. Definitely need some here. Maybe here. My friends, I believe that I am done. Isn't that mixed media paint splatter stencil amazing? I'm going to link both of the stencils below and these two sets of perspectives for you and the hearts as well. I'll list everything that I linked below. Again, this is just Hip Kit Club collection. Sorry about that glare. I splattered some white gesso, watered down white gesso, because I think that those come out better, the splatters, white gesso, and they stay white instead of soaking into the paper. Aren't those perspectives awesome? I want to show you up close so you can see the dimension on them. Okay, there you go, you guys. There's the little hearts. Those heart packages are always a good thing to add to your cart because you can put them on anything. I did end up putting a puffy in the middle of that camera. Says, your stories matter. So I think this came out good. It's super colorful and pretty. I hope you enjoyed watching this layout come together. Have a great day. Bramble Fox shop and the Facebook group are listed below. Come on over and join us, okay? Check everything out in the shop, including the monthly Fox Box subscription. I hope you have a nice day. Bye.